Hi there, how's it going? Welcome to our channel. Here is a place for providing healthy and quick recipes around the world for you. Let's dive into today's recipe.
All right, food lovers, buckle up. Today, I'm letting you in on a culinary secret that's been passed down through generations. We're talking about gumbo. This isn't just any soup, it's a symphony of flavors and tradition right from the heart of the southern U.S. Picture this, a pot bubbling away, filling your kitchen with the rich aroma of spices and the soulful vibes of Creole culture. Gumbo is the ultimate comfort food, and once you learn how to make it, you'll be hooked for life. First up, let's talk ingredients. The star players here are seafood like shrimp and crab, andouille sausage, and of course okra. But the real magic happens with the roux. This dark, nutty mixture of flour and fat is what gives gumbo its signature depth and richness. Now don't be intimidated by the roux. I know it sounds fancy, but it's just a bit of patience and stirring. The trick is to keep it moving until it reaches that perfect deep brown color. Once you've nailed the roux, it's time to build the flavor. Start with the holy trinity of Creole cooking onions, bell peppers, and celery. Sauté these bad boys until they're soft and fragrant. Next, toss in your andouille sausage. Let it brown and release all those delicious oils. Then it's time for the seafood. Shrimp, crab, whatever you fancy. Just make sure they're fresh and plump. Now here's a pro tip. Add your okra towards the end. It acts as a natural thickener and gives the gumbo that perfect silky texture. And don't forget the spices. A mix of cayenne, paprika, thyme, and bay leaves will elevate your gumbo to new heights. Let it all simmer on low heat, allowing the flavors to meld together. The longer it cooks, the richer it gets. Trust me, the wait is worth it. Serve it over a bed of fluffy white rice and garnish with some chopped green onions and a dash of hot sauce if you like a little kick. So there you have it. The secret to perfect gumbo is all in the love and patience you put into it. This dish isn't just food, it's a celebration of culture and tradition. Every bite tells a story. And now you're part of that story too. If you enjoyed this culinary journey, hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious secrets. Until next time, happy cooking!
Afsan Farm Kitchen, a food recipe and nutrition channel for viewers like you.